Imagine you are in a fast-paced kitchen preparing a grand feast for an unexpected crowd. Now picture each ingredient arriving precisely, the chef perfectly is synced with the waiters and everything from the oven to the serving platters working in harmony. This is what an efficient supply chain looks like, connecting every link from start to finish, ensuring that products are created, stored, and delivered seamlessly. Welcome to the final chapter of our supply chain story where we will bring together the back end and front end processes. We will explore how business can ensure a product's journey, starting from raw materials to landing in the hands of happy customers, is nothing short of smooth. Through relatable examples, we will see how successful companies tie it all together for an impressive supply chain performance. 1. The fast fashion rush. Zara's inventory magic. Let's take a walk through the buzzing world of Zara, where fast fashion is the name of the game. Imagine a designer in Spain sketching a new jacket, and within just a few weeks, that every jacket is hanging on the store racks around the world. How do they do it? It's their smart integrations of inventory management with warehousing. Zara does not waste time storing piles of unsold clothes. Instead, they track exactly what's trending and produce just enough moving items quickly from their design floors to stores. By aligning their inventory with warehouses' capacity, they keep costs low and delivery times lightning fast. It's like a stocking the right ingredients for a chef ready to whip out whatever hot on the menu. Number 2, McDonald's, always having enough for every order. Now let's head to the kitchen of the McDonald's where every order is made fresh, fast, and consistent. But behind the scene, there's a well-oiled machine ensuring that McDonald's never runs out of essential ingredients like burger patties and fries. How? Their procurement team syncs perfectly with sales data. If more people are craving fries this week, McDonald's adjusts its sourcing to meet the demand, ensuring every customer gets their in-pivot meal without delay. It's like planning a dinner party and knowing exactly how much food to buy so no one goes hungry. 3. UPS, the art of perfect timing. Now picture the iconic brown UPS trucking shipping through streets, delivering everything from small packages to huge pallets of goods. The secret of their efficiency is transportation synergy. UPS doesn't just move things from A to B. They use data analytics to map out the best routes, ensuring that raw material arrives at factories on time, while finished products reach customers quickly. It's like planning the fast route for a road trip with the pit stops that are perfectly timed for maximum efficiency. 4. Samsung, keeping quality high from start to finish. Next, imagine start walking through a Samsung factory where every smartphone is meticulously checked at each stage of production. But the quality control does not stop there. Samsung ensures that the same high standards follow each phone all the way to the store shelves. Every device that ends up in customers' hand is flawless. It's like having a taste tester at every step of preparing a meal, making sure each dish is perfect before it's served. 5. Night. Listening to the customer's voice. Finally, let's lace up your sneakers and head to Nike, where customers' feedback is a gold mine. Nike listens close to what their customers love and what they don't, using their valuable information to tweak their design and production processes. It's like having your dinner guests tell you what dishes they liked best. So next time your menu is even better. This feedback loop keeps Nike ahead to trends and continuously improving, ensuring they're always a step ahead of the competition. And they are, you have it. The story of a connected supply chain from Zara's lightning fast inventory management to UPS data driven routes. Each piece of the puzzles plays a vital role in creating a seamless process when businesses successfully integrate their back end and front end operations. They don't just make products, they create experiences that leaves customers satisfied and coming back for more. Just like a chef delivering the perfect meal, companies that master the supply chain keep everything running smoothly, and that's what makes them truly competitive in the market.